The Thermo Multidrop Combi Plus and Multidrop Combi Smart Plus instruments are easy to unpack and install. First, move the packed instrument to its site of operation. Make sure the arrows on the shipping box are pointing up while moving or unpacking the box. Unpack the instrument and accessories carefully, making sure to locate the priming vessel, hex screwdriver, and power supply cable. The instrument has a transport lock which must be removed during installation. Remove the 2 screws securing the transport lock using the hex screwdriver supplied with the instrument. Once the screws are removed, the transport lock will be released. Using the same screws, fasten the transport lock for storage in the position shown. You will need the transport lock if you ever need to ship the instrument. Please refer to the user manual for detailed packing instructions. Connect the power supply cable and turn the instrument on using the switch at the rear of the instrument. Install the priming vessel on the front of the instrument by sliding it forward until it snaps into place. Be sure to attach the included tubing prior to installing the priming vessel and place the waste tube in a waste receptacle positioned below the instrument. Pull the rotor cover over the rotor. The instrument is now installed and ready for use.